Hi guys, it's me again. I'm walking to work. I'm going for my flour. I made someone buy flour for me, but I just came back from the market. I couldn't video anything. I'm feeling tired. I don't know. I'm just tired. I'm going to the hospital to take my flour. When I come back, I'll show you everything I got from the market. Hi guys, yesterday I went for my thing. I bought some makeup stuff on Instagram. I'll just put the handle somewhere. I got this CoverGirl concealer. This is it. I bought this pencil from Girl. It's a neon pencil. Then I got this one from Essence. I got 4 foundations. So I got 2 next. Bear with me foundation. I got it in the shade Cinnamon Mahogany Deep Mocha. Then I got this Revlon Color Stay Light Coverage Foundation, which I'll be trying out. This one in Cappuccino. Then I got this Revlon Photo Candid. This one is in the shade Espresso. I'm so excited to try that one. I got this LA Color press powder for my sister. This flawless loose powder. I got this thing eyes cleansing stick. It's rose water and bamboo. Then this came in. I opened it up and I saw this. I really didn't buy this though, but I've reached out to them because I didn't purchase it. The one that I purchased was some small trial palette, which is less expensive, but they brought me this Juvia's Place palette and it is so nice. Look at the colors. I'm thinking of using this blue for my Christmas look. These are all the things that I got. Hi guys, good morning. And ask me why the upper half of my head was cut off in this video. I don't know how. I don't know why. Hey, anyways, it has been included in the video. Today is Vlogmas day 14. Don't be alarmed by my face. Yes, I just put a mask on. This is the bio. I can't pronounce it. There it is. It's an hyaluronic acid mask. It's from China, probably Japan. I'm yet to go back. So you saw me cleaning this morning. I'm done cleaning and I went for a walk also. It's a good thing to go for walks, especially prayer walks. It helps with your journey with God because prayer is everything. You can't do anything without prayer. So I'm going to bath. I wanted to fold my laundry before I go to work, but it's almost time. See you when I'm going to work.